Dear students, today we are going to study a very important topic, that is to find common factors of two or more numbers and common multiples of two or more numbers. And then you can solve some questions of the exercises. The topic of factors and multiples we have discussed earlier also, and you know that what is a factor of a number and what is a multiple of a number. So we are going to find out some common factors of two or more numbers. Let us see how. We move on here. For the first, we'll take the common multiples. As you can see here, the multiple means when you multiply a number by a whole number. So multiples of 6 we are denoting by this zigzag line, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. That is first multiple of 6 is when you multiply it with 1. 6 into 1 is 6. First multiple is 6. The second multiple is 6 into 2, that is 12. The third multiple is 6 into 3, that is 18. And the fourth multiple is 6 into 4, 24. Similarly, the multiples of 8 are shown in this line. That is first multiple of 8 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. The second multiple of 8 is 16. 8 into 2 is 16. And the third multiple of 8 is 24, that is 8 into 3 is 24. So you can see that 24 is the first common multiple of 6 and 8. It is enclosed with a square, purple square box. And moving on, we have other multiples also, 32, 40, 48. Now you can see that 48 is again the second common multiple of 6 and 8. So moving on this fashion, we have another common multiples also, like 72 and 96. So the multiples which belong to both of these numbers, they are called the common multiples. Now we can see that here we have a grid from 1 to 100. You can find out the common multiples, the multiples of 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here you can do this question also in your exercise copy. Like we have 2, the first multiple is 2, the second multiple is 4, similarly 6, 8, 10, and you can see a pattern over here that it comes after every 2 places. Similarly, the multiple of 3, it is 3, then 6, then 9 and 12. So you can say that the common multiple of 2 and 3, we have here 6 and 12 here. Similarly, for the multiples of 4, you have 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12. So you can find out the multiples of 4 also, 5 also in this grid. So this is an exercise for you. You have to make this in your exercise copy. Now what are the common multiples of 3 and 4? Now common multiples of 3 and 4 we have, if we list out the multiples of 3, then we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. As I have told you, that multiple is obtained when you multiply a number by a whole number. Similarly for the 4 also, multiples are listed here, and you can see what are the common multiples. You can see, we can see that this 12 is the common multiple over here. Similarly, you have 24, which is common multiple of 3 and 4 here. Similarly, you can find out common multiples of 5 and 6. As we can see that multiples of 5 are listed over here and multiples of 6 are listed over here. So we can see that the first common multiple is 30 here, and the another common multiple is 60. So in this way you can find out common multiples for any given two numbers. Now moving on for the common factors, as you can see here, common means when we talk about two students of class 6, then what is common in them? They are studying in the same class, so that is common thing. So this same concept is used in numbers also. The factors which belong to both or more than two numbers, they are called common factors. You can see in this circles, they are intersecting. These circles are intersecting, and you can see that this one is a common part. This particular part is the common part which belongs to all the three circles. So this the factors which belong to this part, it will be called the common factors of all these three numbers. So what is the method to find out common factor? First we'll list the factors of all the numbers, and then we will see that what is common to all of them. So we can move on here. The factors, which are the numbers that multiply together to give number, that is factors of 12. We know that factors of 12 are 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the all factors of 12. So if the two numbers have same factors, they are said to have common factors. So one way to determine common factors of the number is to make list of the factors. So as you can see here, we have an example 36 and 24. So we are writing all the factors of 36, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. And for 24 also we are writing all the factors, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So you can circle them, the common factor which belong to both of these numbers. You can see 1 is a factor of 36 as well as a factor of 24. Similarly 2, 3, 4 and 6 also and 12 also, they are the common factors of these numbers. So we can use many diagrams over here. We can list it horizontally and then we can find out by circling them, or we can make this type of circle also here, like factors of 36 we are denoting by this blue circle, and factors of 24 we are denoting by yellow circle, and the common factors we are denoting by the green circles. So in this way you know that the numbers, the factors which belong to both the numbers, they are called the common factors of the given number.